Welcome to Iceland, a land where nature's wonders unfold in breathtaking splendor. From towering volcanic peaks to tranquil fjords, this is a destination like no other. Join us on an unforgettable journey through the heart of Iceland's beauty. Nestled beneath rugged cliffs, the Drengurinn houses stand as a testament to Iceland's rich heritage. These traditional turf-roofed homes blend seamlessly with the landscape, a perfect harmony between human ingenuity and nature. Step back in time and immerse yourself in the charm of Iceland's historic countryside. Skagafjordur, where rolling green valleys meet the endless blue sea. From above, the fjord reveals its breathtaking beauty, a region known for its Viking history. Nestled between dramatic volcanic slopes, Ísafjörður is a jewel of the West Fjords. The charming fishing village of Suðureyri welcomes visitors with colorful homes, bustling harbors, and the timeless allure of Icelandic seafaring life. The crisp ocean breeze carries the scent of adventure and discovery. Majestic and resilient Icelandic horses roam the countryside, a living emblem of the nation's proud heritage. Whether grazing peacefully in the meadows or galloping through the snowy plains, these gentle creatures embody the wild and untamed spirit of Iceland. Have you ever seen Icelandic horses in action? Let us know in the comments. Feel the raw power of Iceland's volcanic heart. At Fagradalsfjall, glowing lava carves new landscapes, a mesmerizing dance of fire and earth. A breathtaking contrast unfolds as rivers of molten rock weave through the snow-covered mountains, a fiery river cutting through the icy expanse. Meanwhile, Hekla, the gateway to hell, rises like a mythical giant, a silent guardian of the ancient land, ever reminding us of Iceland's untamed forces. Step onto the hauntingly beautiful black sands of Stokksnes, where towering volcanic mountains meet the crashing waves of the Atlantic. Nearby, Kirkjufell, the most photographed mountain in Iceland, stands as a stunning natural landmark, its reflection shimmering in the pristine waters below. Feel the mist on your skin as Gullfoss thunders down in two majestic tiers, carving its way through the rugged canyon, an unforgettable display of nature's power and beauty. Then unwind in the soothing waters of the Blue Lagoon, where geothermal warmth embraces you in a serene, otherworldly oasis. On Diamond Beach, icebergs glisten like scattered jewels, their crystalline beauty shining against the black volcanic sands. Meanwhile, the otherworldly landscape of Krafla Crater tells the story of Iceland's fiery core, where steaming vents and colorful lava fields paint a mesmerizing picture of nature's artistry. Krafla Crater, volcanic caldera, Iceland. Standing tall in the heart of the city, this architectural masterpiece offers breathtaking panoramic views of the vibrant capital, where modern life meets ancient tradition. Nestled within the dramatic embrace of the West Fjords, charming harbors and quaint buildings paint a picture of serene coastal beauty. Here, where towering cliffs meet the deep blue sea, the harmony between land and water creates a mesmerizing escape for every traveler. Standing tall in the heart of Reykjavik, Hallgrímskirkja is an architectural masterpiece that offers breathtaking panoramic views of the vibrant capital, where modern life meets ancient tradition. Beneath the Arctic waves, humpback whales glide with effortless grace. These gentle giants of the deep emerge from the icy waters, creating a magical moment that captures the essence of Iceland's pristine marine world, a true encounter with the wonders of the wild. Step behind the cascading veil of Seljalandsfoss, where water plunges from towering cliffs in an ethereal display. In the highlands, Landmannalaugar unfolds in a spectrum of colors, vivid reds, greens, and yellows illuminating a surreal volcanic wonderland. Soar above Thingvellir National Park, where shimmering lakes and majestic mountains weave together Iceland's rich history and natural splendor. High in the Arctic wilderness, the elusive Arctic fox roams, its white coat blending seamlessly with the snow. Nestled within the dramatic embrace of the West Fjords, charming harbors and quaint buildings paint a picture of serene coastal beauty. Here, Where towering cliffs meet the deep blue sea, the harmony between land and water creates a mesmerizing escape for every traveler. Above the cliffs, puffins take flight, their bright beaks flashing against the rugged coastline, a whimsical sight in this untouched paradise. The scenic beauty of Skógafoss Waterfall, Akureyri, Vestrahorn Mountain, and Seyðisfjörður town, making it immersive for tourists. As the sun sets over Iceland, the mighty Vestrahorn casts a shadow of wonder. In the quaint town of Seyðisfjörður, vibrant wooden houses line the quiet fjord, a hidden gem that invites travelers to slow down and embrace the serenity of this magical land. This is Iceland, a realm of unspoiled beauty, where nature and history intertwine. A land that calls to the heart of every traveler, offering landscapes that feel like dreams and memories that last a lifetime. Come and experience the magic of Iceland for yourself. If you've enjoyed this breathtaking journey, make sure to subscribe for more incredible explorations around the world. Join us as we continue to uncover the most stunning places on Earth. Until next time, let the wonders of Iceland call you back.